In this lesson, we're going to see how we can achieve some beveled corners in places we don't want sharp or rounded corners. And we're going to learn about the chamfer corner and see how we can make some chamfers. Now we're using an architectural example, which is in feet. Each unit represents 1 foot, and this is a floor plan of a single family home, and we're going to zoom in the kitchen area right here. It's the kitchen area, and usually people come and go to the kitchen area more than other area in a home, so we don't want any sharp corners here. So to take care of that, we're going to launch the chamfer command, which shares the same menu with fillet, and it's in the modify panel. I'm going to click and select the chamfer. Now let's take a look at my command line. So select first line or one of these sub options. We have 2 ways of creating a chamfered corner, which one of those is by distance and the other one is by angle. Now first we're going to take a look at the angle method first. I'm going to right click and choose angle, and from here I will type 5 inches. And in cases you're not using feet and using only the inches, you don't need to enter any quote for the inch. AutoCAD is going to do that for you. I'm going to press enter, then I'm going to give it an angle of 45 degrees, enter, and now we're going to select this line first and then this line. Look how AutoCAD made a chamfered corner out of those 2 lines. Now just like the chamfer, just like a fillet command here, we've got some sub options which are the multiple, one of those, the multiple, and we're going to use that. I'm going to relaunch the chamfer and I'm going to right click and select the multiple. The values are entered and those default values are okay for us. I'm going to select the lines, the other line, these 2 lines, and we're done. In the areas you don't want any sharp corners, this is a very good method to achieve some chamfered corner. And now we're done with this. We're going to take a look at another example. Going to zoom out a little. Now we're going to take a look at the distance method of creating a chamfered corner. I'm going to launch the chamfer and I'm going to right click and choose distance. As we see, AutoCAD asks us for the first chamfer distance, which as you see I've already chamfered 2 points here, 2 corners, and chamfered those with using these distances 3 feet and 1 feet and 6 inches. So I'm going to give the first distance as 3 feet, enter, and give the second one 1 feet and 6 inches, enter, and we're going to select these. AutoCAD uses those 2 distances to give us a chamfered corner. So we're going to press the space bar to relaunch that command, and we're going to do that one more time, and there we go. Using a chamfer command, we could achieve a bevel corner when in our design a sharp or rounded corner is not acceptable.